After we have finished with the captions, as you can see from this example here, all captions are already stated. We can activate the navigation pane. In this case, the navigation pane will show navigation to links to all headings. Let's go to the View tab. Show ribbon, and then click the navigation pane. And on the left side, you'll see the navigation for each headings: heading 1 and heading 2, heading 3, and so on. And every time you click on a title on the navigation pane, the document will show you the place where the title came from, just like this. Okay, now after we activate the navigation pane, now we can start doing some changes on the layout. For example, it is stated that the background here has 2 pages, but the problem statement only 1 page, and so on. Now we can use breaks in order for us to create a perfect layout before we continue with inserting the content of the titles. For example, background, I'll just put it here, or I'm going to create 2 pages of background. What I can do is that I can put the cursor right before the problem statement, and then control click twice to create 2 new pages, 1 and then 2. Now as you can see that my problem statement is now on page 3, while the background has 2 pages. Now the thing about page break is, for example, whenever I type the content and then I click enter, type the content, enter, type the content, enter, type it again, there will be no changes on my 3rd page, which is the problem statement, right? It stays on the 3rd page.